Okay, so we have an unboxing video for Eco Hindu product. So we have ordered Eco Hindu product from the website, and we have received this particular product, which we'll see what exactly this product is. It's well packed. If you see everywhere, you have a fragile sticker. You have it's a product which has this set of dimensions. So let's see what's inside this. The Eco Hindu products are chiefly into eco-friendly traditional products. They are made by the local artisans and craftsmen back in India. They're all handmade products mostly, and there are some products which actually are so well crafted that you actually can use it as designer products for your house. Plenty of products which they have in the website, so I would suggest you go onto their website and actually have a look at their products. And by purchasing their products, you actually end up supporting small-time artisans, small-scale craftsmen. Okay, now we have the box open, so we actually have some stuff here. Let's see what exactly this is. Plenty of cushioning stuff. Okay, there is a thank you card here. If you see, there is a thank you card which actually is a card which says, by supporting a small artisan, you help support a dream, a family, a livelihood of craftsmen, and much more. Your purchase is truly appreciated. We hope this package makes your day like you just made ours. So let's see, what is this. Okay, this is an idli cooker. Okay, this is a brass idli cooker. Let me just take this off and see what exactly this is. Okay, this is a brass idli cooker. It is a designer brass idli cooker. So let me just open this for you. Oh, this is looking beautiful. You see this? This is the cap of the idli cooker. It's all handcrafted. It's all, embossed, or rather, it's a nakashi work, which you call. Nakashi is the skilled work which they actually have to do it. So this is how the cap looks. If you can look at this entire, it's a very nice handle to it. Inside it's tin coating, so it's actually to protect your food. So brass generally, when they make any particular vessel, they actually ensure that the vessel, while it's brass, the inner coating is tin. So that's how it is actually made. So it's decently heavy. I'll not say very heavy. It's decently heavy because it's a brass metal overall. Let me open this. This is a tin coated tray for putting in idlis. Ideally, what you have to do is you have to put a white cloth here and then put idlis, because the holes are, you just shouldn't directly put idli batter here. You need to put some cloth and then you have to put it on. I'll show you that later when I prepare some idlis on this. That's in the next video. But this is how it looks like. This also is quite heavy and well made, so it's very easy to hold. Yeah. Okay, so we have the second lid. If you notice, it's a 7 idli cooker. This is a smaller version. They have 8, 9, 10, 11 different idli cookers with them. So this is a smaller one. Yeah. Again, this is tin coated because tin kind of doesn't interact with food. It is a specific reason why they have tin. Yeah. And then we have, okay, we have this. the main one. Okay, so this is the base, and if you see the craftsmanship over here, it's all okay. You might see some marks here, you need to wash it. Generally there is a way of managing brass. You need to clean it with tamarind, and you have to clean it with certain specific powder which is meant for cleaning brass and getting the shine back. So you would see that because it traveled a distance, it looks like it has a bit of marks, but that will go off when I clean it. And if you see, it has elephant design here. It has elephant design handles, which are brass handles. Yeah, and all the work very well made. Brass handles to hold it both the ways. Yeah, you can hold it like this. You have the brass nakashi work, craftsmanship. Actually, quite a bit of art goes into this. It's not done by bulk manufacturers cannot make this kind of stuff. It's more of traditional craftsmen who actually prepare this. Again, it's coated with tin inside, all coated with tin. Yeah, and well balanced handles, strong handles, quite strong. Brass outside, tin coating inside, and there's a bit of coating at the bottom. If you see this, it's all black coated. Obviously this goes onto the flame, and that's about this. So it has. So what's the difference between this cooker and that? It's a beautiful art piece. It's an art piece actually. If you look at it, it's an art piece. It's not something which is generally found. So how you use this? You put in water in here, and then you put this particular cover here. There's this idli base here which has 3 idli capacity, and then you have the bigger one over here, and this goes on top. Yep, that's how it fits. So this is a brass idli cooker. You see this entire thing, it's quite a neat and clean, nice looking portable one. It's not a heavy one. It's not a heavy version. It's a smaller version. So it basically has. If you notice, it's quite well done.
Subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos on eco-friendly, traditional, handcrafted, made-to-order products from India. Visit us to shop at ecohindu.in and ecohindu.com.